Everyone who lands on your website is a scanner. That means they're going to scan the page first and then they'll decide if it's worthy of their full attention and then they'll decide to read the rest. So you need to make sure your copy is scannable. There's two ways of doing this. The first one is called front loading. And that means that you put your meatier or your most persuasive words on the front 3 or 4 words of a sentence and at the top of the page. So people will scan in an F pattern, which means they run along the top and then they scan down, down, down as they go further. So if you can write your meatier content within that F pattern, it's much more scannable. The other tip for scanners is to make sure that your subheadings or your cross headings as you go down the page are informative. So they're not just saying our philosophy or our views on the world. They actually say something that's important that someone's going to scan. If someone's scanning down the page, they're actually going to be interested in reading. So 2 top tips for scanners: make sure you write your copy or arrange your copy in an F pattern, and make sure you make your subheads or your crossheads worthy of their attention, so it grabs their attention and then they decide to read on.